Nuclear weapons are among the most powerful and feared creations in human history. Capable of destroying entire cities within seconds, their sheer destructive force has shaped global politics, security strategies, and scientific research for decades. But have you ever wondered how these weapons actually work? Behind their terrifying power lies complex nuclear science, based on two key processes: nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. In this essay, we will explain in simple terms how both types of bombs work and how they differ.
What is nuclear fission? Nuclear fission is the process of splitting the nucleus of a heavy atom, usually uranium-235 or plutonium-239, into two smaller nuclei. When this happens, a huge amount of energy is released, along with more neutrons. These neutrons then go on to split more atoms, creating a chain reaction.
Example: imagine a row of dominoes. If you knock one down, it causes all the others to fall. In a similar way, once fission begins, it continues rapidly, releasing massive energy. This process is used in atomic bombs, also known as A-bombs, like the ones dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki during World War II. These bombs rely entirely on fission reactions.
What is nuclear fusion? Nuclear fusion is the process of combining two light atomic nuclei, usually hydrogen isotopes like deuterium and tritium, to form a heavier nucleus, such as helium. This process also releases enormous energy, even more than fission.
Example: fusion is the same process that powers the sun. When hydrogen atoms in the sun's core fuse, they release light and heat that reach Earth. Fusion is used in hydrogen bombs, also known as H-bombs or thermonuclear bombs. These bombs start with a small fission explosion, which then triggers the fusion reaction. As a result, H-bombs are much more powerful than A-bombs.
Fission versus fusion. Key differences. Fission splits heavy atoms like uranium to release energy, used in atomic bombs. Fusion combines light atoms like hydrogen to release much more energy, used in hydrogen bombs. Fusion bombs are more powerful and complex, starting with a small fission explosion.
Nuclear weapons derive their immense power from the fundamental processes of fission and fusion. While fission splits atoms to release energy, fusion combines atoms to unleash even more powerful reactions. Understanding how these weapons work not only reveals the science behind them, but also reminds us of their devastating potential. As citizens of a world where nuclear weapons still exist, it's important to learn about them, so we can better understand global security, scientific innovation, and the importance of peace.